Welcome to my topic Introduction of Ms. Excel. I'm Julie, Tutor, Department of Fundamental of Nursing, Faculty of Sri Balaji College of Nursing, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Today I'm going to talk about the MS Excel. What is the MS Excel? The Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet program and is part of Microsoft Office suite. It is one of the part of the Microsoft Office suite. And the Excel is used for the multiplication and calculation purpose. Next, second point, it can handle various types of data and is very good for the purpose of calculation. And third point, Excel has been rightly called a word processor for numbers. I repeat once again, the MS Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet program and is part of Microsoft Office suite. Second point, it can handle various types of data and is very good for the purpose of calculation. Third point, the Excel has been rightly called a word processor for numbers. Okay, next slide. The history of MS Excel. The Microsoft originally marketed a spreadsheet program called Multiplan in 1982, which was very popular on CP bar M system, but on MS-DOS system, it lost popularity to Lotus 1.2.2.3. The Microsoft originally marketed a spreadsheet program called Multiplan in 1982, which was very popular on CP bar M system, but on MS-DOS system, it lost popularity to Lotus 122 and 223. Next point, this promoted development of a new spreadsheet called Excel is started with the intention to do everything 122, 223 does and do it better. This promoted development of a new spreadsheet called Excel, which is started with the intention to do everything 122, 223 does and do it better. And third one, the first version of Excel was released for the Mac in 1985 and the first Windows version was released in November 1987. The first version of Excel was released for the Mac in 1985 and the first Windows version was released in November 1987. And fourth one, the Lotus was slow to bring 122, 223 to Windows and by 1988 the Excel has started to outshine 122, 223 and they helped Microsoft achieve the position of leading PC software developer. The Lotus was slow to bring 122 and 223 to my Windows and by 1988 the Excel has started to outshine 122, 223 and help the Microsoft achieve the position of leading PC software developer. And next point, this accomplishment dethroning the kings of the software world solidified Microsoft as a valid competitor and showed a future of developing graphical software. The next point, the Microsoft pushed its advantages with regular new releases every 2 years or so. The Microsoft pushed its advantages with regular new releases every 2 years or so. The current version for the Windows platform is Excel 11, also called Microsoft Office Excel 2003. The current version of for Mac OS X platform is Microsoft Excel 2004. Microsoft pushed advantages with the regular new releases every 2 years or so. The current version for the Windows platform is Excel 11, also called Microsoft Office Excel 2003. The current version of for Mac OS X platform is Microsoft Excel 2004. These are the history of Microsoft Excel. Then what is the Microsoft Windows available in the market? 1987 Excel 2.0 for Windows, 1990 Excel 3.0, 1992 Excel 4.0, 1993 Excel 5.0, in 1995 Excel for Windows 95 version 7.0, the Microsoft Excel 95. Those in 1997, the Excel 97, that version 8.0, included in Office 97 or X88 and Alpha. This was a major upgrade that introduced the paperclip Office Assistant and a future standard VBA used instead of internal Excel Basic. It is instead the now removed natural language labels. This version of Excel included a flight simulator as an Easter egg. What is that? In 1997, the Excel 97, including Office 97, this was a major upgrade that introduced the paperclip Office Assistant and future standard VBA are used instead of internal Excel Basic. It introduced the now removed natural language label. This version of Excel included flights limited as a Easter egg. So 1987 Excel 2.0 available. In 1990 Excel 3.0. In 1992 Excel 4.0. In 1993 Excel 5.0. In 1995 the version 7.0, so 95 is in beta. In 1997, the Excel 97 for version 8.0. The next one is continuation 1999 Excel 2000 version included in Office 2000. This was a minor upgrade but introduced the upgrade to the clipboard where it can hold multiple objects at once. The Office Assistant, who, whose frequent unsalted appearance in Excel 97 had annoyed many users, became less intrusive. 2001 Excel 2002 version 10 included in Office XP very minor extendment, and 2003 Excel 2003 version 11 included in Office 2003 minor enhancement, most significant being the new table. 2000 in 2007, the Excel 2000 version 12 is manufactured. The Microsoft Excel 2000 is available. So far, in 1999, the Excel 2000 version 8 is available. 2001, the Excel 2002 version 10 is manufactured. In 2003, Excel 2003 version 11 is available. In 2007, the Excel 2007 version 12 is available. Included in Office 2007, this release was a major upgrade from the previous version is similar to another updated Office product. Excel in 2007 used the new ribbon menu system. This was different from what user was used to, but the number of mouse clicks needed to reach a given functionality were generally fewer. For example, removing glidiness only required two mouses clicks instead of five. However, most business users agree that the replacement of the straightforward menu system with the more convoluted ribbon dramatically reduced productivity. I look at all something included in Office 2007. This release was a major upgrade from the previous version. Similar to other updated Office products, the Excel in 2007 used the new ribbon menu system. This was different from what user was used to do, but the number of mouse click needed to reach a given functionality are generally fewer. For example, removing gridliness only required two mouse clickers instead of five. However, most business users agree that the replacement of site forward menu system which the more convenient will dramatically reduce productivity. Okay. Next slide. The 2010 Excel. In 2010, the Excel 210 version 14 is available. The Microsoft Excel 2010 running on Windows 7 included an Office 2010 minor enhancement and a 64-bit support including the following things. First one is multi-threading recalculation, that is the MTR, for commonly used functions. And second one is improved pivot tables, and third one is more conditional formatting option, and fourth one additional image editing capabilities, and the fifth one insert chart called sparklines, and sixth one ability to preview before pasting, and seventh one Office 2010 backstage feature for document related tasks, and eighth one ability to customize the ribbon, and ninth one many new formulas most highly specialized to improve accuracy. What are the things? The multi-threading recalculation, that is the MTR, improved pivot tables, more conditional formatting option, additional image editing capabilities, insert shortcuts pipelines, ability to preview before pasting, Office 2010 backstage feature for document related tasks, and the ability to customize the ribbon, many new formulas, most highly specialized to improve accuracy. Next slide. And 2013, the Excel 2013 is available, the version 15. That is included in Office 2013. A lot of new tools have been included in this release. What other tools is available? Improved multi-threading and memory context, flash fill, power view, power pivot, timeline slicer, Windows app, Inquire, and 50 new functions. What are they? Available in the version 15 in Excel 2013. It is an improved multi-threading and memory context, flash fill, power view, power pivot, timeline slicer, window app, India, and 50 new functions. And what is the Motion version numbers? Number MS-DOS version of Excel 1.0 for Windows ever accepted. The Windows version originated at the time the Mac version was up to 2.0. There is no Excel 6.0 because the Windows 95 version was launched with Word 7. All the Office 95 and Office 4 X products have OLE2 capacity, moving data automatically from various programs. And the Excel 7 would show that it was contemporary with Word 7. The version number 13 was skipped due to superstition. What are the notes on version number? There is no Excel 6.0, and the Windows 95 version was launched with Word 7. All the Office 95 and Office 4.x products have been OLE2 capacity and moving data automatically from various programs. And Excel 7 would shows that it was contemporary with Word 7. The version number 13 was skipped due to superstition. Then what is the Apple Macintoshes? In 1985, the Excel 1.0. In 1988, the Excel 1.5. In 1989, Excel 2.2. In 1990, Excel 3.0. In 1992, Excel 4.0. In 1993, Excel 5.0. That is part of Office 4X Motorola 68,000 version and first PowerPC version. In 1998, Excel 8.0, part of Office 98, and 2000 in 2000, Excel 9.0, part of Office 2001. In 2001, Excel 10.0, part of Office V.X. And in 2004, Excel 11.0, part of Office 2004, and 2008 Excel 12.0 part of Office 2008. In 2011 Excel 14.0 part of Office 2011. OS Bar 2. In 1989 Excel 2.2. In 1990 Excel 2.3. In 1991 Excel 3.0. What are the apples available? In 1985 Excel 1.0, in 1988 Excel 1.5, in 1989 Excel 2.2, in 1990 Excel 3.0, in 1992 4.0, 1993 5.0, 1998 Excel 8.0, 2000 in 2000 Excel 9.0, in 2001 Excel 10.0, in 2004 Excel 11.0, in 2008 Excel 12.0, in 2011 Excel 14.0. And what are the objectives of Excel? Understand the use of spreadsheet and learn the parts of the Excel window, scroll through your worksheet and navigate between worksheet, create and save your workbook file, enter text, numbers and dates into your worksheet, and recite, insert and remove column and rows. What are the objectives of MS Excel? Understand the use of spreadsheet and Excel. Learn the part of the Excel window. Scroll through your worksheet and navigate between worksheet. Create and save your workbook file. Enter text, numbers and data into your worksheet. Resize, insert and remove columns and rows. Okay, next slide. That is a continuation of the and select and move cell ranges, insert formulas and function, insert, delete, move and rename worksheet, work with editing tools, preview and print the workbook. What is the select and move cell ranges, insert formulas and functions, and third one is the insert, delete, move and rename worksheet, and fourth one, work with editing tools, preview and print your work. What is the advantages of electronic spreadsheet? What is the advantages of electronic spreadsheet? The advantages of electronic spreadsheet: the calculator results are accurate and reliable. All kind of complicated calculation can be performed very easily. The worksheet can be quite big in size and any part of it can be viewed or edited. We provide graphics facility. The entire worksheet or any part of it can be printed in the desired format. What are the advantages of the electric spreadsheet? The calculator results are accurate and reliable. All kind of complicated calculation can be performed very easily. The worksheet can be quite big in size and any part of it can be viewed or edited. It provides graphics facility. The entire worksheet or any part of it can be printed in the desired format. That is a continuation of it. The worksheet can be saved in an electronic file, can be modified later, and existing worksheet or any part of it can be merged with a new worksheet. An electronic spreadsheet program have several mathematical, financial, and statistical functions which are built in and are very user friendly. What is that? The worksheet can be saved in an electronic file, can be modified later, and existing worksheet or any part of it can be merged with a new worksheet. And export. The electronic spreadsheet program have several mathematical, financial, and statistical functions which are built in and are very user friendly. Okay. Next slide. Then what is a workbook? You see here, this is the that is a MS Excel. Here is a toolbar available. The Excel document is referred to as a workbook. A workbook holds one or more worksheets. In another word, a workbook is a collection of worksheets stored in a single file. Yes, here we see that this is a one page is here. If you want more sheet means that is the sheet 1, then is sheet 2 and sheet 3 is available. So here workbook is useful for grouping the worksheets of the project together. The Excel document is referred to as workbook. A workbook holds one or more worksheets. In other words, a workbook is a collection of worksheets stored in a single file. A workbook is useful for grouping the worksheet of a project together. This is an Excel worksheet. This is a sheet 1. This is a sheet 2. This is the column and as a B, C, D is likewise. Is a here 1, 2, 3 is a likewise. Here the upper and the bottom line is a minimized size and the maximized size. And also toolbar is available. That is the paste, that is the home and the insert, the save, that is and as a page layout and the format, data, review and review and also here general and numbers also available. It is a centralized and also styles and insert delete format is also available in this sheet. What is the next one? That is a worksheet. Worksheet is a table-like document containing rows and columns that holds data and formula. There are 6384 columns and 1048 576 rows in each worksheet. The columns are named ABC up to Z and then AA, AB, AC and etc. up to ZZ and then AAA, AAB, AAC up to XFD. The rows are numbered from 1 to 10, 48, 576. A box that is a column row in intersection in a worksheet is called a cell. There are 17, 17 9, 86 9, 18 4 cells in each worksheet. Each cell has a cell address or cell reference. The cell address is formed by column, letter, and row number. For example, B12 is a cell address for the cell located in column B under row 12. For example, B12 is a cell address and column is B and row is 12. Yes, this is the components of Excel. Already I said, this is the title bar. That is a Microsoft Excel. That is a ribbon. This one is the ribbon. And this also column heading. And this one is the active cell. And this one is the formula bar. This one is the office button. And quick access toolbar. This one is the name box and this one is the select all button and here row heading and here sheet tape scrolling button and here status bar. Here these are the sheets available, sheet 1 and sheet 2 and sheet 3. Here horizontal scroll bar, here view shortcuts and here zoom control. Here one is a vertical scroll bar. This one is a workbook window. So understood what are the tools available. This is a title bar. This one is a ribbon. Here is the here from here is a column heading. And this one is the active cell. And this one is the office button. And this one is a quick access toolbar. That is the same and the front and after like that. And this one is the name box. This one is the select all button And this one is the row heading. This one is the sheet tab scroll button. This one is the status bar. This or sheets tab here, horizontal scroll row, and view shortcuts here, zoom control. So these are things available in the Excel sheet. What is the Explorer in Excel? First one is the Office button, the button that provide access to workbook, level, feature, and program settings. The next one, Quick Access Toolbar, a collection of buttons that provide one-click access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, and repeat. And Title Bar, a bar that displays the name of the active workbook and the Excel program and name and ribbon. The main set of commands organized by task into tab and groups and column heading, the letter that appears along the top of the worksheet window to identify the different columns in the worksheet and workbook window. The window that displays an Excel workbook. The vertical scroll bar. The scroll bar used to scroll vertically through the workbook window. Then horizontal scroll bar. The horizontal scroll bar is the scroll bar used to scroll horizontally through the workbook window. The next one is the zoom control. Control for magnifying and shrinking the content displayed in the active workbook window. And next one is the view shortcuts. The buttons used to change how the worksheet content is displayed, normal, page layout, or page break, or preview view. The next one is the sheet tabs, the tabs that display the names of the worksheet in the workbook. The next one is the sheet tab scrolling button, the button to scroll the list of the sheet tabs in the workbooks. The next one is the row heading, the numbers that appears along the left of the worksheet window to identify the different rows in the worksheet. The next one is the select all button. The button used to select all the cells in the action worksheet. The next one is the active cell. The cell currently selected in the active worksheet. And next one is the name box, the box that display the cell reference of the active cell. The next one is the formula bar. What are the tools is available? Office button, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, column heading, workbook window, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, zoom control, view shortcut, sheet tabs, and then sheet tab scrolling button, row heading, sort all buttons, active cell, name box, formula box. These are available in the Excel sheet. Next one is that how to start the Ms. Excel. Now, this is the you see this is the main tool. You select the Ms. Excel. This is the Ms. Excel. You do that the fresh Ms. Excel. So this is the starting point. This is the inside of the Ms. Excel. This one is the screenshot of Ms. Excel. These are the toolbars. These are the toolbars available in that, and already we seen it. That is the screen sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and a horizontal bottoms and everything. There's cut crop and paste and format and the languages and font size and capitalized and the color fill, font size and underlines and centralized area and the red text, merge and general and conditional format and everything is delete format is available. Okay, and next sheet and how to apply that. Click on office button on a drop down menu appearance. It's like that. Click on office button. This one is the office button and drop down the menu appear. Select a new portion from the drop down menu. Okay. And next one is the selected installed template from dialog box. click create button. First one is the click on office button, a drop down menu appearance, and second one is select the new portion from the drop down menu, and the third one is select installed template from dialog box and click create buttons. Then these are things is available in the Excel sheet. So for example, this one is entering data in this cell. This is a name, this is a class, this is a mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, that is a total area. This is the name of the students and what is the class studying and what is the marks of first mark and what is the first, second paper and the third paper under the total. And also last we have to calculate the total marks also is available in the Excel sheet. That is the advanced level. The next one is the autofill in Excel. What is that autofill in Excel? As the name indicates, autofill feature can automatically fill in data as you drag the mouse through a range. The autofill features enables you to add duplicate entire in a worksheet or a data series in the worksheet. For example, autofills can enter the days of the week, month, and series of numbers or days. What is that? You see here as a name, you see that bottom there's a 1 and 2, here is a number, here is a same like that. So as the name of the indicate, the autofill features can automatically fill in data as you drag the mouse through a range. The autofill features enables you to add duplicate entire in a worksheet or a data series in the worksheet. For example, autofill can enter the days of the week, month, and series of numbers at days here and here and also here. Okay, next slide. And merge and center. How to merge here? You see here, we, for example, you write that a months here CD and also here we see that the merge and the center. And if you are a merge and the center, click that you C and D so in a merge together. So to include the title and heading text across the multiple columns, the Excel provides the facility of merging cells to hold the title or heading text which is available in merge and center command. We see here the merge and center. So you want to get two columns merge means you select that merge and center in the toolbox and press it. You, your Excel sheet is C and D will be merges. Okay. This is an example worked out in Ms. Excel and in research purpose we do it that the bar. This is students and also percentage also we want a percentage for students and total count and for that means you use that the Excel worksheet you know the percentage of the problem or advantages anything. So far we're discussing about that MS Excel and what is the history of MS Excel and Microsoft Windows are available in the market and what are the versions is available and what is the Apple Mac is available and what is the objectives and what is the continuation of objectives in MS Excel and advantages of electronic spreadsheet and continuation of worksheets and workbook and worksheets and the components of Excel and exploring Excel and how to start a MS Excel new and the screenshots of MS Excel and what is that for examples how to do that new Excel and entering data in Excel and autofill in Excel emergent center, and also bars is available. So far we're discussing like that Excel is a advanced material to calculating any type of um, calculations is available in schools or colleges, and any available in settings like that only. We use the Excel sheets.